Yeah. It's basically impossible to steer. I don't want to throw this idea out because I think it should work.
Sad.
Sad. Very sad.
Welcome to part 2 of the lawnmower bike. Last time we failed, so now we're gonna do it better. We are gonna put the front wheel back onto the bike. Then from this chair we're gonna take this bend and mount it to the side of the frame here, so that it sticks out the back. And then we're gonna make a sort of trailer from the lawnmower that hangs onto the thing on the back. And then it should work. Hallo, ben je klaar? Ben je klaar met slijpen? There is shite inside.
It's almost very nice.
Nice. I don't have brakes. I should get the swivel off, right? Hurts to take everything apart. The swivel is done. About right?
Sure.
Yeah.
Like this?
More or less, I guess.
Looks about right. Perfect.
Fits like a glove.
And then we
kind
should
of.
bend these still.
Yeah. So they align with the frame. Moving it. If you just go slow, it should work. More or less, maybe.
Nice.
Nice. Hallo, regen. The Dutch weather is intervening, so we're having a short break.
And then it will work like this. It clamps the pipes in between here. Oh. Oh. Good.
It's strong.
Check this out. Super strong.
Nice. Ok, let's flip it over and try.
Yeah, because it can happen that your feet.
The pedal interfere with the stand thing.
The pedal doesn't interfere, but your feet might. Yeah.
How is it with the feet?
I don't have brakes. It's a bit weird, but it's okay.
Because we can move it a little more backwards, right?
Yeah, we should.
Let's do it. Better.
Test number 2.
Still no brakes. Yeah, it's a bit awkward, but it's fine. Fine enough. Wow!
I will try first.
Oh my god, it's working! Oh my god! Stop. It's still bouncing around a bit because you're going pretty fast and the bumps are making it bounce. Can I try?
Yeah.
Maybe just take the stone off and we'll start again there. Yeah, can you get the wrench? Merci beaucoup.
Oh yeah. Also slips. Ladies and gentlemen, we have found a tire. So we will cut this up and put it with some screws on the tires of our thingy. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go. Feels very wrong.
There's a lot of metal in there, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe we need a knife.
What? What? Isn't there like more metal in there? Snippety snappety snoop.
Okay, cool. Ooh, nice.
I think this is the most badass lawnmower ever.
Nice. I feel like this will not slip even without any weight.
I don't know what you feel, let's just try it.
Let's just try it. Yes, ready. Still slips.
Okay, test 24 with a big weight again and good tires. It's working! This is looking good. Barely any slippage, only in the very thick patches of grass. Oh, it's so amazing! Let's get some B-roll of this thing.
So you have been mowing for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Thoughts?
If we ever end up in an apocalypse and gas runs low and you really want to mow your grass, this is a fantastic solution. But you need some training because it's pretty heavy. Otherwise, I'm very happy that it works, because it does work.
Yeah, it's not terribly precise. I don't know if you can see this on camera.
It's very hard to aim the thing because it's hanging behind you. And you are, of course, it more or less follows the path of your steering wheel, but more or less is pretty much as precise as it gets.
Yeah, so there's quite some splotches of unmown grass still. You can see the paths, so it could be just a little bit more patience or training.
It's very hard to do the corners, of course, because you can pretty much cycle in circles and lines, but corners and around objects it's really hard.
So that's why here is still some plant material.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We really enjoyed building this thing. We hope you enjoyed watching our journey to get this thing working. Please subscribe for more bike related content, because we are gonna make some more.
Absolutely, and post some ideas in the comments maybe. We have a lot of ideas, but maybe you have something crazier than us.
More is more better.
More is more better.
So, thanks, and hope to see you another time. Epic end shot.
Epic end shot.
Yeah.